What is going on, guys? Welcome to Stock Talk with Nico Criticos. Today, we are going to be checking out Adobe stock because the stock is falling so much. Today, it is down now over 13% after they came out with earnings yesterday, which were really not that bad, as you're going to see here. It's really just people kind of just making it up that they're not pretty much profiting off of AI fast enough. That's really all it is. But if you look at this, we have the stock grapples with slower monetization of its artificial intelligence offerings while facing tough competition from startups, which yes, I believe that is true. And part of me is realizing or has some concern that there are threats and that, it doesn't mean Adobe's just going to be on top of the world forever, and you have to keep that in mind. But there's still something to be said about how much of a monster of a company they are, how much cash they have, how much leverage they have, what their customer base is like, and how much customer loyalty they have, all that stuff. But as far as the numbers go, their numbers were fine. Let's go down here real quick. Let's go to what they did for EPS. They did 508 for EPS versus 497 expected. So nice beat there. Then for the guidance, we have second quarter revenue is expected to be between 5.7 and 5.8 billion, which that was in line with analyst expectations. And then here's the important part: Adobe reaffirmed its annual revenue forecast, and the CEO said the company will is well positioned to capitalize on the acceleration of creative economy driven by AI. So hopefully that's true. Hopefully we see that in the numbers, which the funny thing is we do see that in the numbers. The numbers are completely fine. Look at the revenue trailing 12 months for this past quarter, $22 billion. It's a record quarter. Same thing with net income. Huge jump up to 6.7 billion trailing 12 months for Q1 of 25, which was the quarter they just reported yesterday. Again, huge jump up there. Nothing wrong. The cash to debt ratio is as good as it gets. Look how much cash they have. $7.4 billion of cash, only 300 million of debt, which if you got 7 billion in cash, you can do a lot with that. You can buy one of these startups like they were going to buy Figma. You can buy a lot of different things. So that's what I like there. As for shares outstanding, it is trending down, which that's what I like to see. And let's go to on an annual basis. Let's go to return on capital just to see how good it looks. So we have return on capital, common stock repurchase 9.5. Okay, that is not the number that I want. Here we go. This is what I want. Not that. We want ROI right here. 2024, 34%. That's incredible. 34% is very high. And again, it's trending up. So I don't really see any problems there. I think this is just an illusion. I think investors are just, I don't see this drop being justified. So I kind of want to buy more shares right now. As you can see, I got 5 shares at 455. And it's still, I would say this is like a medium-sized position for me, but I'm probably going to buy more shares here. I don't know where the bottom's going to be. I think the bottom is probably going to be right around this price. I have a feeling we're pretty much at the bottom. But I say this is a buying opportunity. I really think this is a buying opportunity. The numbers are strong. This stock is purely falling just on investors making up that Adobe might, they face competitive threats and that they're not utilizing AI fast enough or they're not utilizing it the way they should. Which that's debatable. That's a fair argument. It's a good valid point to bring up. But guess what? It's not showing in the numbers. It's not. We don't see. I don't know. I just see. I think Adobe's in one of the best places they've been in years. I mean, again, the cash position is insane right now. 7 billion of cash, and the net income just hit a record number. So I don't really see what the problem is here. And I'm gonna call this out as a buying opportunity. I think this stock will be 500 bucks. Um, Easily, probably by the end of this year. So that is my analysis for Adobe. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you in the next video.